What up, my niggas? It's been a minute since I've been with y'all, man. Your boy Gliese is back, you know what I mean? And I'm back with a lot of good news. One, I launched my glasses. So they out, they available on streetgenius.com. You can go to streetshop.streetgenius.net. I said .com at first, but I meant .net. So you can go to streetshop.streetgenius.net and you can get the glasses. They're $70. And I'm going to give y'all a quick rundown of what they do. Because a lot of people have been asking me what they do. And, it's hard to try to explain. So, let me get this going real quick so I can show y'all. So, what they do. One, you got two sides of the glasses. One side is this side where the MP3 player is. And on this side, you can cut it on like this. And as you see, it cut on. So when it cut on, that's going to let you know that it's pairing. When it's blinking red and blue, that'll let you know that it's pairing with your MP3 player or your phone. You can cut the volume up using this too. So this is your earpiece, this is your Bluetooth, this is how you listen. So that's what this side is for. On this side here, you have your video recorder. So you cut this on like this using the second button. Now it's on. If you press the first button once, now you're recording. You can cut it off. You can also take pictures by using this second button here. And that's what that is. As you see the fancy Gliese 581C. Now, I'm going to show y'all something else. I had this in mind when it's called a tilt sensor. Now, when you use the tilt sensor, what it actually does is that, okay, let's say it like this, right? Let's say I'm driving home from a party and I'm just like, oh man, I'm tired, I'm drunk. Hell, some of you motherfuckers in St. Louis may be off pills and heroin. Y'all be on some other shit. But Notch got you covered. So look. Now you see I'm tilting my head up and down, right? Because y'all know y'all be driving and y'all be like this. Y'all be like... y'all be nodding off. Y'all be nodding off. Nodding off. That's what happens to y'all. You know what I mean? So what happens is... Now I got this sensor in here. So if you press this sensor, bam. So look, I click it on, right? And as you see, I got my head up. Like when I got my head up, I can boof, 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 do all what I need to do because it's on. But my head is up. But once I tilt my head down, so the tilt sensor has your back. It basically doesn't want you to drink and drive. Let me cut that bullshit off. Because I don't drink. And I don't advise anybody to.
Welcome to the future. Gliese 581C. The smart glass is guaranteed to make you look stylish and also may actually save your life. Visit streetgenius.net. Gliese.
You probably can never be Gliese. You probably done had it too easy. I'm loading the clip of my Gliese. I'm about to make 'em believe me. Orama, Turkana, Torana. I'm reppin' my weapon. That stealth mode. I'm an ancient leopard. Red leopard print shoes. I'm a high stepper. Black and white limbo. Salt and pepper. You probably can never be Gliese. You probably done had it too easy. I'm loading the clip of my Gliese. I'm about to make 'em believe.
Streetgenius.net for more information about the new Gliese 581C. Make sure you keep them on deck at all times. Gliese 581C, the smart glasses of the future. Street Genius, power in the hands of the community.
So what are we talking? Let me put the Glieses back on. What are we talking about today?